Okay, so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to make a couch for my two dogs. I'm going to use these two pillows, which I got on clearance at Marshall's. I think together they cost me like 10 bucks. This material this is probably about 12 bucks. And then I've got some legs that I'm going to use that I got from a garage sale for $4. And then some leftover material that I'm going to use to cover it all. So let's get started. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take these up. I'm going to put the pillows on top of them, and then I'm going to upholster them with the leather, just a leftover leather I've had from things in the past, from projects in the past. Then when I get, the big one's going to go here, the little one's going to go here, then I'm going to lean it up, and then I'm going to put the sides on, and then the legs. Slap it with that leather stuff that I have upstairs, make it real tight. So this is going to be the bottom.
Oh, so you're never going to see that little pattern.
No.
Gotcha.
And then I'm going to do the same with the top.
Okay, so this will be the back.
The back.
Bottom.
Yeah.
Got it.
And then I'm going to make two sides out of that. This is going to be front, and I'm going to drape the leather over it, so this will all be padded here. And I'm just going to cover it with this leftover faux leather piece I had from a project a long time ago.
So the back here, let's just roll this down over real quick, is stapled on top of the wood because that's going to be where the back of it is.
That's going to be where the back is, right. So we need a little bit of space right there. So now I'm just going to cover it in this leather right here.
This is faux
leather. Yeah. And then when I get that all done, then I'm going to do the top, which is the back. So right now I just got to cut it. These are the legs.
You got them for how much?
I got 4 of them for $5. They were brand new from, they came from, Hobby Lobby. They were $12.99 a piece, but I got them at a garage sale for $5 for 4. So they're gonna go on like that.
Yeah, those are nice.
Yeah. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna fold it in, just straight across like this, and then fold this over on both sides.
It's like a Christmas present.
Yeah, just like a Christmas present. And then because this is going to be, the back is going to come up here, I'm just going to fold this over, and you're not going to be able to really see any of this. So. Now, let's see how that looks. Yeah, that looks good.
All right, there's the front.
Yeah, there's the front, and the back's gonna come up here.
Gotcha.
So now we do this. Yep. Okay, this would be perfect. This is gonna work. Perfect, thank you.
That's how us guys are, perfect.
Okay.
Okay, so how you doing folding these ends then? You figured it
I'm
out?
kind of doing it like a gift, like you're gift wrapping. Folding in the corners here and then folding up like this and then just kind of evening it all out. It's not going to be perfect, but this is for dogs. So,
Yeah. It'll look kind of like this.
Yeah. So what we're going to do now is put in the L brackets here on the back and then connect it to the lower portion.
So we're going to do the legs on the base here, and then we'll do the L brackets on here and attach them to the smaller piece.
Yep.
Yep, and we'll need some good wood screws.
It's going to cut this piece right here for the legs. And
You mean for the sides?
I mean for the sides, yeah.
Yeah.
And then,
Yes.
sorry,
Then what?
I think I'll go from the other side. And then I'm going to cut it in half, and then I'm going to wrap it with the cloth, and then we're going to attach it by an L bracket.
I see.
There we go. Now I just got to cut this in half.
So how are you going to wrap that?
So I'm thinking I'm going to wrap it kind of like a gift. So I'll do it like this, and then have this come over. And then what I'll do is cut out a piece to put just perfectly folded here, and then I'll attach it with nail heads.
And these are going to be the size.
Sides, yeah.
Sides.
Sides, yeah.
Got it.
What do you think?
Got it. Yeah. Makes sense to me. And you're going to wrap it in the faux leather?
Yeah, in the ostrich.
I got it. So they'll be a little bit different?
Yeah, it'll have some flavor and, you know. I mean, I could wrap it in that brown, but I think this would be fun.